In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a proposal on UpWork. Whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or looking to refine your approach, understanding how to effectively send a proposal can make a big difference in your success on the platform. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to your UpWork dashboard. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Connects. Connects are essentially the currency used on UpWork to submit proposals, so it's important to keep track of them. Once you've checked your connects, the next step is browsing through the job postings. Find a job that not only matches your skill set, but also piques your interest. Click on the job posting to look at all the details. If it seems like a good fit, click on the Apply button. Now that you've decided to apply, it's time to bid your rate. This is where you'll enter how much you're willing to be paid for the project. It's a crucial part of the proposal because it sets the financial expectations up front. Do some research to understand the industry standard rates and consider what you bring to the table to choose a rate that is competitive yet fair for your expertise. When preparing your proposal, it's sometimes necessary to discuss the possibility of rate increases. You can mention that you're willing to discuss a potential increase in your rate every 3, 6, or 12 months. Specify what percentage increase you might expect with each period if the opportunity for an ongoing relationship arises. This shows clients that you're thinking long-term and are open to growth and partnership. Next, it's time to add your cover letter. The cover letter is your opportunity to stand out from other applicants. Make it personal and directly address the client's needs as outlined in the job posting. Explain why you're the best fit and how you plan to tackle the project. If you have sample work or portfolios that strengthen your proposal, definitely attach them. Visual proof of your capabilities vastly increases your chances of securing the job as clients can immediately see the quality of your work. To further bolster your proposal, consider adding any relevant certificates from previous trainings. These could be courses related to the job or certifications that highlight specific skills you're offering. These credentials not only support your claims, but also demonstrate a commitment to professional development. After you've composed and checked your proposal, it's time for the final step: hitting the Submit Proposal button. Make sure everything is in order and that your proposal reflects not only your skills, but also your professionalism and enthusiasm for the job. Once submitted, keep an eye on your inbox for any responses from potential clients. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to send a proposal on UpWork. Remember, each proposal is a chance to present your unique value to clients, so take the time to customize each one. Good luck and happy freelancing!